day 6 and, oh, that's sharp. We've had showers, we've had breakfast, it's coming up to the middle of the day. We're going to have a pretty lazy day, so we're going to just sort some stuff out. And I'm going to try to do some more fishing. See if I have any luck with that. Again, and the birds are coming to attack my little lure. And they really don't care about you standing here. Nothing. See all the birds walking past and flying past, and see the fish that don't exist. I lived for a time lapse to see if that bird was in frame, and just as I picked up the phone it got too hot and shut off. But this is what it found. So it just picked that up out of the water, cracked it open and ate everything from inside of it. Cool. I had an oyster that I put on a hook and cast out, and then bad stuff went wrong with the fishing line and the reel, and it all snapped, and I am done. I've lost 2 squidgies. I did manage to get my hook and sinker back this time. A floating frog. It's there somewhere. Can't see it anymore. I'm done. I've lost enough fishing here, so I'm just going to put the oyster here for the birds to have. And I put my fishing stuff away. It's been a couple of hours. What we've done is we've sorted out a lot of the stuff that we brought in the van that was in bags. It was like 37 degrees, super hot with no wind. So we put on the generator. As you can hear, it's quiet because we ran out of free power from the tree. So turn on the generator, but it stalled running the aircon because we were experimenting with it and it's not starting up just yet. So opening up and it's hot. We just did a couple of other videos for the channel, and now we're gonna do some building. Yay. So we're doing this nano block whale. Look at how small the pieces are. Like, it's tiny, and there's so many of them. But I think we'll get through it. But like all things, there's always a spare.
Yeah, that's our spare spine.
We finished our whale shark.
It took a ridiculously long time, but it's so cool. It's a little fin.
The fins move, the tail moves.
I'm not. Hang on, I need
You gotta hold it.
Ready?
Go.
Did it, and wait. You can't do both, but hang on.
Yeah. It's awesome. I love it. So we got that from Osaka Aquarium.
Yeah, I'm so happy we've done it now. And we're never ever taking it apart. We'll have to find somewhere in the van that's safe. The sun's just starting to set. Let me just pan around and show you. There we go. Oh, I'm not wearing shoes. This was a mistake. It's actually very pretty. This camera's not. It's picking it up quite well, but it's much prettier than it looks. There we go. This is behind us, behind our van. This tree is blocking the most beautiful part of the sunset. For me, I can see around it. The camera, it just doesn't want to. That's okay. There's our generator. Our shower tree. The lake looks beautiful. Billabong. It's looking pretty and across. I don't know if I can zoom in far enough. Maybe not. There's heaps of birds over there. But it's almost the end of our day. We've had a very relaxing day today. We're just going to cook some dins and then hit the sack. We've got some people that have parked very close to us. That tree is gorgeous. Not a very shady tree, but very pretty tree nonetheless. Trying to give you guys lots of shots of the lake because we're leaving tomorrow and there will be no more lake. Holy freaking dooly, look at the size of this bug. Ooh, it's a ginormous grasshopper. You'd think one of the birds would eat it. Just for, it doesn't look ginormous on the camera, I promise it is. It's like the size of one of my fingers. I'm not putting my finger near it.
Alright, so we had our dinner. It's nearly time for bed. So just before bed, I'm just going to have a look through the monitor and camera pack that we've got. See what it's going to take to set it up. Because I might do that tomorrow. We've also got the caves tomorrow and the Drovers Museum thing. And we'll check that out in the morning. So we'll see you then. Bye.